What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another exciting tech video for you guys. And if you own a pool, you already know the toughest part about cleaning it is not the obvious stuff. It's the edges, the water line, those hard to reach spots. And those are all the spots where a typical pool robot struggles. But today we're going to take a look at a bot that has absolutely no problem getting into all of those places that you find the most difficult to clean. Today we're taking a look at the MOVA Rover X10, a 7-in-1 full scene coverage robotic pool cleaner to see if it can actually handle a real backyard pool here in Phoenix, Arizona, the way a premium cleaner should. And if it can, this could be one of the most impressive cordless pool robots I've looked at yet. The MOVA Rover X10 is being positioned as a high-end robotic pool cleaner, not a basic one. So this one really has a lot of those extra features that you would expect to see in a flagship model, and we're going to see today if it can really deliver. Let's start off talking about the headlining feature, and that is the 7-in-1 OmniClean technology. This is one of the main reasons the Rover X10 stands out in a sea of other pool bots, because a lot of pool cleaners are good at one or two zones, but not necessarily the full pool environment. With the X10, the idea is that it can cover the surface, floors, walls, waterline, corner steps, and those shallow areas all in one intelligent system. And visually, that's one of the first things that I looked for when testing it. I wanted to see how confidently it moves from one part of the pool to another, especially in those areas where cheaper, more limited robots tend to hesitate. You can see that things like changing depth or transitions near steps and those awkward shallow sections can sometimes give problems to other pool cleaners, and the Rover X10 does a fantastic job of handling those with no problem whatsoever. This is definitely a more advanced option than your basic pool bot. It handles those hard to reach spots that I just mentioned with no problem at all. Next up is a feature that I really care about as a pool owner, and that is the edge drive brush technology that allows you to get right up along the edges of your pool. Corners are a genuine weak spot for almost all robotic pool cleaners, and it's also difficult to clean manually if we're being honest. They get close but not close enough, or they'll pass by debris without really pulling it in out of tight angles. The Rover X10 is designed to fit more tightly into those edges and corners, and that independently driven front brush means that it helps clean those problem areas more effectively. This is one of the features with the before and after shots here that you guys see make a big difference and really does wow you when you take a look at it. If you've got debris sitting in the corners, near the wall junctions, or around build-up prone areas, you can see that the X10 gets into those spots and makes a noticeable difference. Because for a premium pool robot, avoiding those blind spots is honestly a huge win, and the Rover X10 does that flawlessly. Another major piece of the Rover X10 is the full 360-degree mapping technology. The Aqua Scan full pool mapping and coverage, this is where the product starts to feel more intelligent. Instead of just bouncing around the pool randomly, the X10 uses underwater mapping and route planning to better understand your pool layout and clean with more intention. This matters for a few reasons. First, it helps with more complete coverage, and it makes the cleaning process more efficient, especially in pools that have curves, ledges, or more complex shapes. So while you're watching it work in this video, one of the things that you should look for is the movement, and you can see how deliberate it feels. It looks like it's actually mapping and planning, it returns to areas that need attention, and it covers the pool in a way that feels smart rather than chaotic. This is where the Aqua Scan feature really makes a huge difference, and it's something that really impressed me with the Rover X10 from MOVA. Now let's talk about movement and cleaning power, because MOVA is bringing plenty of that as well with the Rover X10. MOVA combines precision float drive technology with up to 10,000 gallons per hour of suction. That sounds impressive on paper, but what really matters here is how it translates in real use. For me, that means if you see here in the clip, the X10 looks like it's really climbing and sucking all of the debris out as it goes. It moves confidently across different sections of the pool, and it handles the debris while it's moving. According to MOVA, this system uses multiple jet drive motors and intelligent control to keep the movement agile and control while still sucking in debris, and I would say that sums it up perfectly. Ideally, this helps with smoother wall movement, stable transitions, and stronger pickup performance overall. That combination is absolutely fantastic because having great navigation and movement is one thing, but being able to pick up debris while it's smartly moving around your pool is what really matters. Now, let's talk about the real question. How clean does it get your pool at the end of a cycle, and how well does the filtration work? The Rover X10 uses a dual roller setup for broader, more multi-dimensional cleaning, and it also includes a large debris basket with an ultra-fine filtration. This is important because pool debris is not just leaves. It could be anything: dust, hair, insects, algae, and all kinds of finer material depending on where you live. For me, this is where that post-clean inspection that you can see here in this clip really matters. The before and after is absolutely amazing. The Rover X10 gets the pool completely clean, free of any debris. In addition, the overall maintenance is very simple. Just go ahead and take out the basket, you can dump it out, do a quick rinse, pop it back in, and you're good to go. The maintenance makes it so that you actually want to use the Rover X10 on a daily basis, because if it cleans well but it's hard to maintain, that might also make you less likely to use it, but thankfully you don't have to worry about that with the MOVA Rover X10. And you also have a fully cordless setup here, which matters a lot to me for convenience purposes, and I think you would really appreciate that as well. The X10 uses a wireless charging dock, which means you're not dealing with the usual cable mess every time the unit needs power. You place it down, it charges, and that's it. This might sound like a small thing, but if you've ever dealt with more cumbersome pool equipment, that convenience really makes a difference. It makes the whole system feel more refined, and for something designed to be premium, that's exactly what you want. MOVA also pairs that with strong battery life, so the X10 is clearly designed for larger pools, and as I said, you get longer cleaner sessions, so if you have a big pool and you need to clean for a long time, the battery life is absolutely substantial and fantastic. The MOVA Home app is also fantastic, which I've also used for a lot of their cleaning robots, mops, and vacuums inside my home. Let's talk about how that fits in with the Rover X10. This is especially useful because connectivity can be a real pain point with some robotic pool cleaners, especially once they're underwater. So being able to check cleaning progress, monitor the robot's location, and control it through the app makes a lot of difference. For a product in this category, I think app control matters most when it actually feels useful and reliable. Not just something added to the spec list, but the MOVA Home app is really easy to use, has a beautiful UI, and I really do appreciate that about this pool bot. So summing up here, the MOVA Rover X10 is obviously a premium flagship pool cleaning bot. It's definitely for someone who wants a premium experience that has a larger pool, needs to do more cleaning, needs that battery life, that mapping technology. You're going to absolutely love the X10 in that case. You got 7-in-1 OmniClean coverage, the Edge Drive corner cleaning, and the 360-degree Aqua Scan mapping, precision float drive with powerful suction, the MOVA Home app for app control, and much nicer cordless charging experience overall. This makes the X10 feel like a model for people who want that premium feature set. MOVA also has the A10 robotic pool cleaner, which could be an option for you. It basically can handle smaller pools, has a few less features, but still does a fantastic job of cleaning. So you can check out the A10 below if you're interested in that. In any case, if you want to check out the MOVA Rover X10, and you can check out the links below. Also, if you're interested in the MOVA A10, which is slightly less expensive, you can also check that below if you have a smaller pool. MOVA is also running spring promotion discounts, so this is a great time to take a look if you've been thinking about upgrading your pool cleaning setup. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and also appreciate MOVA sending out the Rover X10. It did a fantastic job cleaning my pool here in Phoenix. We enjoyed having it. We'll continue using it here. If you guys have any questions for me about the Rover X10, drop them below. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.